This is Eric Whiteside Tactical Solutions. Here's a snapshot of the participants putting everything they have learned to the test with the culminating event: shoot, move, communicate with Care Under Fire. This part pushed the participants to the max, both physically and mentally. Let's see how they did.
But this ain't even about it, so let me catch you up to speed. Red target slaying demons, I'll be quick to put them on that red carpet. TMG them, I can get them taken out.
Take a knee, get down.
Take a knee, take a knee.
To the right. Everybody get on line. Contact front.
Contact front, in front, in front.
Give me some fire down range.
We need somebody in the front, somebody for lead. We need front man.
Let's go. Get the line. To the line, to the line, to the line. Move him to cover.
Move the cover.
And it's shot.
Down.
All right, we got movement in front. Engage.
Come on, hurry up. Let's go now, man, now. Come on, let's go.
Okay, he's on point.
Her baby's not breathing. Her baby's not breathing. Her baby needs CPR. What do we do? Let's provide secure, provide aid and security. Are we good? Yep, we're good. Go. Yeah, baby. Going up this hill, we don't want to be an easy target. So pick a side, either to the left or to the right. Let's go. I see movement up front. Contact front, engage!
If you want to learn from the best of the best, make sure to visit our website, whitesidetacticalsolutions.com. or send us an email at info@whiteside tactical solution.com.